Good morning, students. Today, I, Neha, your teacher of English, is going to discuss with you assignment 1 from Moments book, the first chapter, The Lost Child. So, let's see the questions. Question number 1. Where did the child go with his parents? And the answer is, the child went to a fair with his parents, which had been organized to celebrate the festival of spring. Now the second question. Was the festival of spring an attraction for the people? And the answer is, the fair was certainly very popular with people in general, because they had left their daily routine work, dressed up in their best, and had come to enjoy the spring festival. Now the third question is, parents were in hurry to reach the fair, but the child was delaying them. How? And the answer is, the child was getting tempted by the many distractions on way to the fair. Sometimes he would stop by the toy shops, while at other times he would start running after butterflies. The parents had to call him to walk beside them. Next question is, how did the child father react on hearing the child say, I want that toy? The answer is, the child dared to express his desire to have a toy. Then his father looked at him red-eyed, like a tyrant. The very look was emphatic and rude. No. Now the next question is, how can you say that the child was scared of his father? And the answer is, the child was tempted by many things, but he asked for them only in a slow murmur. This shows that he was scared of his father and could not express his demand as rightfully as some other children do. Next question is, how did the mother distract the child's mind from the toy seller? And the answer is, the child's mother drew his attention to the flowering mustard field to distract his mind from the toy seller. Here he saw colorful dragonflies and butterflies. He gazed at them as they flew in the air. Next question is, how did the child enjoy the beauty of nature on his way to the fair? And the answer is, on his way to the fair, the child saw a flowering mustard field. He stopped there to watch the little insects and worms that were coming out from their hiding places. He then tried to gather the petals of falling flowers. This way, the child enjoyed the beauty of nature. Next question is, what happened when the little child entered the grove? When the little child entered the grove, a shower of young flowers fell upon him. He forgot all about his parents and began to gather the petals. And the next question is, what did the child see at the sweetmeat shop? And the answer is, at the sweetmeat shop, on the entrance of the fair, the child saw an architecture of many colored sweets that made his eyes open wide and left his mouth filled with water. Now, let's see the last question of this assignment. What values of humanity are reflected through the character of the kind man? And the answer is, the man who had rescued the child had a heart full of goodness. He did not ignore the painful cry of the boy, calling for his parents. Risking his own safety, he bent down in the crowd to rescue the child from getting trampled. He forgot his own purpose of visiting the shrine, did his best to comfort and soothe the scared boy. He talked to him very kindly and inquired about his parents. When he did not get any response from child, he did not lose patience. Instead, he tried to make him feel at ease by offering him the little things that children love. His character thus reflects the human values of kindness, compassion, care, and love. So, student, this was your assignment 1 for Moments book of first chapter, The Lost Child. You have to write this assignment in your assignment notebook. Thank you.